Hey, yo, y'all still left some confetti here, yo. What the heck?
Woo, I'm so tired from dancing.
Me too. I don't know how Emma Rain do it.
Yes, give a big shout out to them.
Yeah, but hey, I think we proved that the MCs can dance too.
I think the audience was cheering on because we finally stopped dancing.
Yeah, that could be true. But we tried our best though. No? Y'all loved it? We tried our best though. And before we continue embarrassing ourselves, let's move on with the showcase. Shona bemo otutuka, bemo be tutuka, the mom double song, Gamo apelo lugas a high tenta so cha mong.
This year we have 3 students who took Hmong class for 4 years. They want to share a few words about their experience in Hmong class.
The first student we have to do their speech is Dujong Yang. Yo pe shai kushe. Hey, yo jong choi cha tu. Luong
不要这种怎样？个个的梦到不上，还有选择，个个都讲都也还操梦，因cứ梦给在，上的梦，还有梦的，赢的梦，同的不是不做，操梦，不把个定天定在。ai cũng dùng cho chắc là tôi chuyển tới thế cũng chuyển nó cho tới giờ ô tô chưa chỉ tô hoặc chẳng mong thế cho nên ô tô tôn chí thôi trong nó bí trong áp trên này vật chí đâu trong áp trên này vật đồ xin phương giờ hà có đủ chết cho tương sai ô tô cần đỡ mong đồ bố xong một ô lô bong đồ lúc đồ bếp cho showcase đồ món nào cứ sao thế check all of one store because the one and the she so see from the test for ya I got to check I got to the check will be more income it's really tough with the king with psychonature còn đỡ bó xong vì nó bác ăn thì có the king so got the họ chờ cả xe và she conversation cái thứ lý một từ hữu kỳ cái thứ chính trai theo trong mùa hình đàn sau tây giờ tới có mua xe cờ thì có mọi quan tàu tao giờ cứ sao có cho được xí với gia thế xí phân đời rồi ông anh xong bao tuổi người sao tây có tuổi chết cho tuấn sai cần đời rồi bố xong mà tôi sẽ cần đời mong và sau cái và cho nên sẽ tôi chỉ đi chỉ hơi tôi sai ở căn thao cái tương sai showcase cái thằng đó chúng mình tôi ya hay cái và cho nên sẽ
Alright. Next up to do the speech is Kenneth Hmong.
I'm gonna make this one quick. My name is Kenneth. My friends call me Kenny, but ladies, you call me anytime. In the 4 years I took Hmong, the most important things I learned were how to speak it, how to write it, and how to understand it. I guess the most important things I got out of Hmong class were friends that I would die for, experiences that I can never, replicate or do again. And I got a lot of precious things from one class, and I probably wouldn't be here without most of my friends. I guess some advice for the younger classmen is go to class, don't skip class at all, do your work on time, do not be like me and turn everything way last second. Eat your vegetables.
Okay, next up we have Ying Paul. Please welcome Ying Paul to the stage.
Right before I do my speech, I want to say this Hmong clothes I'm wearing this for one main reason. It's because my dad did a speech with this Hmong clothes, and I want to do it I want to do the same thing as he did with a speech with this Hmong clothes. Now for my speech. Nói trong sở đời, lúc bây giờ yên sinh thọ, cứ cái tờ mong đào bao sông, thọ cứ cái tờ mong cứ mua cái sĩ đào đào cứ tây không nhiều, mua cứ sĩ đào đào cứ lúc bây giờ cứ chạy nhanh thế, cứ sao thế cứ cái sĩ đào cứ lo cứ do yên linh tử, thông qua cứ cho sĩ hợp ô cần tờ mong cứ cần đào đào ya. Kinh chính có chính kinh cái do cờ đau hay chỉ bút lưu từ cho cái sao cho cứ lo cho cứ tự kinh cứ sa có cho từ ô nhỏ hậu trả mong chọn gì mù cần đời mong ya theo cần đời mong ba có bao cho có tự kinh kinh khó cái nhỏ ở cứ ngõ nhỏ hậu cứ lưu này do chỉ bảo cứ tự kinh thế cầu cờ cò bảo 被亚瑟，这个宝下楼贴上去，咕噜也要跟菜的都个宝，来把个贴背路这个，来筛选做个样的警察圈头，个心谈到了，来把个别的背要一路这个。西风者天西风呀，拿了一把高铁样的高木去谈到了，讨高木努，我找高木个他，心里多。
Let's give another round of applause for all those three students. Jinamu, pero ipatun cycle o yo lokhanet so shaker dia ploshong ho cha mong tau muli charolal.
Furthermore, we have more videos and speeches from some of Miss Year's concurrent Hmong class. Students who have been taking Hmong class for all 4 years here at Park Center. They will be here to share their journey with the last 4 year with you. Let's give them a round of applause.
Trong nó cũng cần hào xin thư giản cha Asia ở khen bệnh mong ý ạ ôi cũng nhận cha hào cha mong nhận tiền của tao tôi cờ đào thức xoay nữ là xào hay lưu mong thia xào hay lưu đọc cho cái gì nhưng chỉ là một của yo hay lưu mi cả sức so what I also like about one class is the atmosphere. I like how everyone gets along well, and even if we're not all friends, we still all get along, and we're able to communicate, do assignments and projects together, even when we're put in groups where we don't know anyone. Another thing I enjoyed in one class was getting to connect with my classmates and getting to know them. This try specifically, we focus a lot on getting to know classmates, what they like, what they do, hobbies and everything, and it was really nice getting to know new people. Last but not least, I also enjoyed being in this year's class, or Sequence's class, because she made learning and projects really fun. You were always able to do something with anyone. I don't know. Last but not least, Miss Year or Sequence made assignments, homeworks, and projects fun. So we weren't like always sitting in class bored. But she also made sure that, well, she gave us flexibility with the assignments, and we were able to get them done in time. And that's it for my video. There will be much more I would like to say, but because there are multiple videos, I want to keep it short. Thank you guys for watching our videos. We hope you guys enjoy them, and let's continue on to the next video.
Nhớ rằng sau khi tôi từ thế sẽ đi chồng của nó bây giờ về rồi sẽ mong ya muốn cái gì trong thế của cần đời mong tàu các sinh hài của tàu lâu trong đời mong tay của bí của xã hai ô châu tàu cho sĩ phi của khe lời mong sĩ phân trần thế sĩ phi ya gỡ online sáng qua đơn thọ cho thức chay cần đời mong biết thế lý ô tàu rong但是呢，古英中学的呀，古有跟在high school的来，但是古有要古叫不一的，古叫是古叫的。When I was younger, I lived in the St. Paul Public Schools district, and we learned Hmong from a pretty young age. By the time I was 6, I could read, write, and listen and speak Hmong very good. And also by the time I was 6, I already mastered your 真的字不读。 Yeah, but even though I learned how to do those things, I never understood why we had to do them. I never understood our history or where we came from or why we did the things we did. But I feel like once I reached high school, it was a completely different experience. Because I thought that when we reached high school, it was just going to be like a whole bunch of more reading and a whole bunch of more writing and a lot of speaking. And we did do a lot of those too, but it was more interactive, and I feel like I got to get to know so many of my classmates. And I believe the majority of the friends that I make or that I made over the years are from Hmong class, and I'm so grateful that Hmong class has brought me together with so many people that I now call my friends, and it makes me truly happy. I believe that Hmong class isn't just like learning how to read and write, but it was also a self-discovery experience for me, and I hope that the underclassmen also get to have that experience as well. I highly encourage the underclassmen to take Hmong class as well, hopefully try to take Hmong all 4 years, because it is really fun. It is really fun, and I hope that you guys learn a lot about yourselves over the years as well, just like how I did. And I wish you guys nothing but the best of luck, and I can't wait to see what the Hmong program here at Parkson has in store in the future. Thank you.
Tôi lập biệt thật cho lúc chặt tao móc ra lên cha. Học đi, để khi có gia cảnh anh xong, they will never tell you or give you a zero. Tôi ta cũng chỉ bao lần mong, để xin thằng cần lúc chặt tao mong, cũng chắc bao lần mong. Cái cờ học chặt tao mong, em sẽ làm có tao.